Welcome to Techno YouTube channel, an online tutorial platform. Now today we want to look on how to construct an equilateral triangle given one of the sides. Remember, an equilateral triangle is a type of triangle where all the sides are equal and therefore all the angles are equal. So in this case our side is measuring 60 millimeters. Now how do you go about it? So the first thing, draw line AB equivalent to the dimensions you are given. So line AB in my case is 60 units. Now with compass on point A and AB as the radius, draw an arc. So draw an arc. So again with compass on point B as the center and a BA as the radius, draw another arc. Where those two arcs intersect, draw lines to point A and point B. So the intersection point is now point C. So with that, triangle ABC is the required triangle, which is an equilateral triangle. So we can even measure the angle and see. So the angle is 60 degrees. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.